Can-Am Maverick X3, a next-level off-road beast.
Welcome back to BikeReview Hubs, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycles, ATVs, and off-road machines. Today, we dive into one of the most anticipated side-by-sides of the year, the 2026 Can-Am Maverick X3. This machine is designed to push the boundaries of power, speed, and off-road capability, raising the bar for thrill seekers and desert racers alike. Bold and aggressive design. The 2026 Maverick X3 carries Can-Am's unmistakable aggressive stance, but with refined aerodynamics and sharper body lines. A redesigned chassis offers more rigidity while keeping weight in check. Its bold front fascia and LED lighting system not only enhance visibility but also give it an unmistakable presence on dunes, trails, and mud tracks.
Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Maverick X3 continues to dominate with its legendary turbocharged Rotax engine, now tuned for even greater performance. The 2026 model pushes horsepower figures beyond 220, making it one of the most powerful UTVs on the market. With improved cooling systems and advanced fuel mapping, it delivers consistent performance in extreme conditions. Suspension and handling. Handling is where the Maverick X3 shines.
The 2026 edition comes equipped with an upgraded SmartShocks adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts to terrain changes in real time. Whether blasting through sand dunes, crawling over rocks, or tearing down muddy trails, riders experience unmatched stability, comfort, and control.
Technology and comfort.
Inside, Can-Am has focused on rider experience. The Maverick X3 now features a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and ride tracking features. Enhanced bucket seats and improved ergonomics keep riders comfortable during long, demanding rides, while the reinforced roll cage provides maximum safety.
Versatility and customization. Can-Am knows riders love personalization.
The 2026 Maverick X3 is offered in multiple trims and configurations, from desert racing editions to mud-specific setups. A wide range of factory accessories, including light bars, bumpers, roof racks, and audio systems, allow riders to tailor the machine for their unique adventures.
Conclusion. The 2026 Can-Am Maverick X3 is not just another UTV, it's a statement of raw power, advanced technology, and limitless off-road freedom. For riders who crave adrenaline and demand the best, this side-by-side delivers performance on every level. Stay tuned to BikeReview Hubs for more updates, reviews, and in-depth looks at the latest motorcycles, ATVs, and off-road machines.